17. A sporting goods store sells 90 ski jackets in a season for $200 each. Is that good? I don't even know if that's a lot of money. Jackets are more money these days. Each $10 decrease in the price would result in 5 more jackets being sold. Okay, so that looks like a linear relationship, right? Right? If I have price here at $200, I will get a 90. I will sell 90 ski jackets. And each $10 decrease, so let's say that's 190. Every 90 decrease would result in 5 more. So that's 9 at 95. So at 190, you have 2 points. This point is at 190, 95. And this point is at 290. Okay. Find the number of jackets sold and the selling price to give revenues of 17,600. So revenue equals price times quantity sold. And let's see. Price is based on revenue. And we know how to map a linear relationship because we have the slope, we have 2 points. And do you remember how we did this? M equals basically the rise. It went up by, the rise is 5 over 10, negative 10. So my M is actually equal to negative 1 over 2. And X equals to 200. Y equals 90. Now why am I finding this? Because I want to find in Y equals M, mx plus b. We want to find b because we have m, we have x, and we have y, right? We're trying to find the equation of the line. We're trying to find the relationship between price and quantity sold. So how do we do that? We say 90 equals m, which is half or negative half, times x, which is 200, plus b. So let's solve that. 90 equals, what's for b? Minus 100 plus b, right? Because half times 100 is 100. So b equals, put that over, 190. So the relationship between price and quantity is, well, let price represent, let x represent, quantity. Just in case you're wondering, this is like a level 4 question, if you can get this right. Let x represent quantity. Then R, which is revenue, is here. The question is when it's 17,600. Revenue equals 17,600. So 17,600 equals price, which is Where's my equation? Y equals mx plus b. Oh, my relationship between price. Okay, so let's solve it. So I have, let's see, quantity Q equals, right, because that's my y-axis, equals minus half x plus 190. Okay, so let's call, by the way, we said did we let x represent quantity? Let x represent price. This is getting really messy. I'm sorry, I apologize already. So x represents price, so revenue equals price, and quantity is equal to that. So price times minus half x plus 190. And it's basically set up for you guys. 17,600 equals minus half x squared plus 190x. Bring this over. I get 0 equals negative 0.5x squared plus 190x minus 17,600. Let's say I wanted to get rid of this, this 0.5, or I wanted to divide everything by 0.5 or negative 0.5. I could just say x squared plus so, oh, by the way, it becomes negative 380x. Right? And we change the sign because it's negative. 35,200. Is it 35,000 or 36,000? Yeah, 35,200. And now we use our quadratic equation, where a equals 1, b equals minus 380, and c equals 35,200. And you solve for x. That's it for number B. Sorry, for 17A. 17B, what is the lowest price that would produce revenue of at least 15,600? Okay, so you solve the same thing, except now you have 15,600. Don't let the word minimum confuse you. What is the lowest price or lowest? Don't confuse that with, the last section we were doing a lot with minimum. Don't let that confuse you. You're just finding at 15,600 of revenue, how many jackets do we need to sell? Okay, so half x squared plus 190x. It's the same thing. We're going to get revenue price times quantity, which is basically equal to that. And we already found the linear relationship between the two. I hope this is clear. If not, I might do it again in class. So if you do this, basically move this to this side and solve it.